Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Removing a gift card from your Amazon account is actually pretty straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Start by opening the Amazon app or going to Amazon.com on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account where the gift card is stored. You'll need to have your login credentials ready before we proceed further. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look for the account menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your name or an icon that says Account. Click on that to access your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Now navigate to your gift cards and gift balance section. You should see an option that says Manage your gift cards or something similar. Click on this option to view all the gift cards currently attached to your account. Step 4. Find the specific gift card you want to remove from your account. You'll see a list of all your active gift cards with their balances displayed. Look for the one you want to delete and select it to open the details. Step 5. Once you've selected the gift card, look for a Remove option or Delete button. This might say Remove from account or Delete gift card. Click this button to proceed with removing the gift card from your Amazon account permanently.